Welcome to Schmidt Clark Law Firm, steadfastly serving individuals and families since 1992. Today, we delve into a significant legal matter, the Baby Powder Mesothelioma Lawsuit. Baby powder, a commonly used personal care product, has recently been linked to a potential health threat that can lead to diseases like mesothelioma. As an experienced legal attorney with over a decade of experience, I am well versed in the potential dangers associated with consumer products. Therefore, in this article, I will delve into the risks of asbestos exposure through baby powder, including the possibility of a baby powder mesothelioma lawsuit. According to a 2022 study by the National Center for Biotechnology and Information, baby powder does cause mesothelioma. The potential link stems from the presence of asbestos-contaminated talc in the product. Asbestos, a naturally occurring yet hazardous mineral, can lurk in talc deposits and make its way into talcum powder products during mining. Frequent users of such products may unknowingly inhale or ingest these microscopic asbestos fibers, putting them at risk of developing mesothelioma or other asbestos-related cancers. As a result, numerous baby powder lawsuits have been filed by individuals and family members of those who have developed such diseases. As claimed by a Better Health channel, the health risks associated with asbestos exposure are well documented. When inhaled, ingested, or absorbed, microscopic asbestos fibers can wreak havoc on the body, causing diseases like mesothelioma, lung cancer, and other respiratory conditions. According to a 2022 study by Moline J. from the National Center for Biotechnology and Information, the link lies in asbestos-contaminated talc found in certain talcum powder products. When inhaled or ingested, these asbestos fibers can cause damage at a cellular level, leading to diseases such as mesothelioma. Various legal cases have further highlighted this link. For instance, the family of Richard Chisholm, who had developed mesothelioma, filed a lawsuit against talc supplier Vanderbilt. The New York Supreme Court awarded Chisholm's family a whopping $10.55 million. Johnson & Johnson, a household name, has faced thousands of baby powder lawsuits by talc victims over its Johnson's baby powder. The company has been accused of knowing about the potential asbestos contamination in its products and failing to warn consumers. As a result, billions of dollars in settlements and verdicts were awarded to victims. In one case, a jury awarded $27.4 million to a claimant who had developed mesothelioma after using Johnson & Johnson's baby powder. In another twist, Johnson & Johnson's proposed $8.9 billion settlement for thousands of talc lawsuits was refused, signaling the ongoing battle between the company and its victims. According to a Journal of Occupational Medicine and Toxicology, researchers documented 166 instances of mesothelioma linked to substantial exposure to cosmetic talc products. Of these cases, 122 were solely attributed to cosmetic talc as the known source of asbestos exposure. As stated in the National Library of Medicine, Italian researchers conducted a review focusing on primary ovarian mesothelioma. Their publication included a case study detailing a patient's perineal use of talcum powder spanning from 1933 to 1980. As claimed by the National Library of Medicine, a comprehensive examination of the inhalation toxicity of talc highlighted an increase in mesothelioma and lung cancer cases among talc miners and millers. Additionally, metal casting workers using asbestos-contaminated talc reported instances of mesothelioma and asbestosis. According to the National Library of Medicine, an exposure study published in the Annals of Work Exposures and Health uncovered an elevated occurrence of mesothelioma and other asbestos-related lung diseases among talc miners in upstate New York. The study focused on mines located in St. Lawrence and Jefferson counties, with particular emphasis on Gouverneur, where R.T. Vanderbilt Company Inc. operated a talc mine. Researchers noted the presence of asbestos minerals in the talc mines of this region. The verdicts and settlements in talcum powder lawsuits reflect the severity of the issue. The amounts awarded can range from thousands to millions of dollars, depending on the individual case. In some cases, compensation has been substantial. For instance, one lawsuit against Johnson & Johnson resulted in a jury award of $27.4 million to a claimant who developed mesothelioma after using the company's baby powder. In the wake of these revelations, victims stepped into the light, demanding accountability and justice for the harm they suffered. Here at Schmidt & Clark, we stand as a beacon of hope for those affected, guiding them through the complexities of mesothelioma lawsuits. If you or someone you love has been touched by this tragedy, know that Schmidt & Clark Law Firm is ready to support you.